Welcome to the assembly guide for your Cuisinart 28-inch outdoor 2-burner griddle. Before we begin, ensure you have all the necessary parts and tools laid out. Check each component against the package contents list, and if any part is missing or damaged, please refrain from assembly and contact our customer care team for assistance. Begin by loosening the 2 screws on the back left leg, stamped with the 2, then slip the horizontal brace under the screw heads. Tighten the screws to secure both parts together. Attach the back right leg to the horizontal brace using the same process. Then attach the front left leg and front right leg to the remaining horizontal brace. Lay the shelf upside down and attach the 4 shelf brackets, ensuring the keyholes on the bracket and shelf are on the same side. Lay one of the cart frames on the ground with the wheel peg facing down. Loosen the 4 screws in the middle, 2 on each side. Slide the shelf keyholes over the 4 screws and tighten. The shelf corner will not align with the leg. Repeat this process to attach the second frame to the other side. Turn the frame upside down. Attach the leveling feet to the bottom of the front and back left legs. Hand tightening is sufficient. Attach the wheels at the bottom of the right legs by stacking the wheel spacer, wheel, and washer onto the pegs. Secure with the lock nut and wrench. After tightening, loosening by half a turn so the wheel has room to spin smoothly. Remove any pre-assembled screws from the bottom of the left legs. Attach the lower brace between the right legs. Make sure the threaded hole in the middle of the brace is facing inwards. Repeat these steps to attach the second lower brace to the left legs. On the side with the wheels, hold the propane tank bracket against the lower brace and attach it using 1 A-screw. Turn the cart right side up and attach the upper left brace, part 9, to the top of the legs without wheels. The screwdriver may need to be angled slightly to access the screws inside the brace. Repeat for the upper right brace. With the help of a second person, hold the gas line out of the way and place the burner body on top of the frame. Align the bottom holes with the posts on the upper braces. With the control panel facing you, the wheels should be on the right side. Attach the burner body to the frame using 4 A-screws and 4 D washers in each corner. Secure the gas line to the upper right brace using 2 C-screws. Insert the griddle grease chute from the inner left side of the burner body. Use 2 C-screws and 2 E-washers to secure it. Install the grease cup tray to the upper left brace using 2 A-screws. Attach the tool hooks to the front edge of both side tables using lock nut G. Each side table has 2 hooks. Loosen the 2 pre-installed screws on the left side of the burner body. Then remove the top and bottom screws from the side of the control panel, leaving the middle screw in place. Secure the left side table with 3 A-screws along the bottom edge. Tighten the 2 screws that were previously loosened to hang the table. Secure the side table caddy to control the panel by reassembling the 2 screws that were removed earlier. Install 1 C-screw in the bottom front corner of the caddy. Repeat this sequence to attach the right side table. Attach the igniter bracket to the bottom of the right side table using 2 C-screws. Locate the ignition module, which is wired to the side of the burner box. Remove the battery cap and the plastic nut from the threaded portion of the module. Take the grounding ring on the gas hose and slip it past the threaded portion into the hole of the igniter bracket. Secure the module to the bracket using the plastic nut. Insert the AA battery into the ignition module with the plus side facing out, then reattach the cap. Double-check that the grounding wire is installed and touching metal. With help from a second person, place the griddle plate on top of the burner body, fitting the front 2 hooks into their corresponding slots. Slide the griddle plate towards the back to hook it in place. The tabs at the back corner should drop into their slots. Install the lid hinges to the back corners of the griddle plate, attaching the long lid hinge to the front hole and the short lid hinge to the back hole, with 1 B screw and 2 H nuts for each hinge. Ensure a tight connection. Hand tighten the first nut, then loosen it half a turn. While holding the first nut in place, fully tighten the second nut with a wrench to lock them both in place. Ensure the hinge turns freely while the nuts remain tight. Place the lid on top of the griddle plate and attach it to each lid hinge using 1 B-screw per hinge. Insert the grease cup into the tray on the left. To install the propane tank wire into the right legs, take the hook end of the wire and insert it onto the hole of the front right leg. Insert the other end into the key slot of the back right leg and let it drop down to lock in place. The rectangular part of the wire should be pointing upwards. And just like that, you've successfully assembled your Cuisinart 28-inch outdoor 2-burner griddle. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions on connecting and testing the propane tank, as well as additional use and care tips. For additional information, reach out to our customer care team by calling 866-994-6390 or email outdoors@cuisinart.com. We're here to ensure your outdoor culinary adventures are enjoyable and hassle